Welcome, excuse me, guys. Welcome to the stream today. Today is March 2nd, 2022. Welcome. Just give me a second, guys. As you guys are hopping on, let me know where you guys are watching me from, and also keep smashing that like button for me as well. We'll be looking at taking 2 to 3 pairs today, but at the same time, we're also just gonna take whatever the market gives us today. Um, and again, it's also NFP week, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today this morning. I hope everyone had a good night. Welcome to the stream, guys. As you guys are hopping on, let me know where you guys are watching me from. Uh, Give this video a thumbs up as well. So we're gonna be looking at 2 to 3 pairs today. Just give me a second here, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna look at CAD JPY. We're looking at this on the on the 30-minute time frame right now, currently. And we're gonna be taking buys above this zone here. But we also have a USD news coming up in the next let's see, in the next 10 minutes. And then we have CAD news, the Canadian dollar news, and US news. High impact news at 9 a.m. The Fed chair is going to be testifying. I don't know what he's testifying to. So um, let's take a look at some more pairs here as well. Um, Currently, GBP, in my opinion, is still in a downtrend. So for now, I'm only going to be looking for sales here, looking here at GBP USD. So I'm only going to be looking for sales, even if we go to the 1 hour time frame. So for me to take buys, I need price to break above this zone. I'm just looking at all these pairs now. I'm going to have some more info in a minute. Let's look at GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY just broke resistance, support here to the left, turn resistance here to the right. So let's look at the lower time frame here. Yeah, but price could also get to this minor support zone here and reject and continue going down. For me to take buys, price has to break above this zone here, which is 154.047 for me to take buys, and for price to continue going bullish. So we'll see what happens. So guys are hopping on. Let me know where you guys are watching me from. Smash that like button as well for me. Keep smashing it, guys. Let's take a look at gold. See what gold is doing. All right, we can see gold created a resistance here. So I'll be looking for sales with gold. Rejected support. Now it's just bouncing off support. So we'll see what happens with gold here. I could take sales once we break below this zone here. And we also have this zone right over here. This is another zone to pay attention to. So I'll actually rather have sales below 1915. That's where I'm going to be looking to take sales. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start off with gold here. So for gold, we'll have buys above 1950. So we'll have potential buys above resistance here. And potential sells below potential sells below support right here. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at for gold here. So I'm going to move on to GBP, GPY. Yeah, for GBP, JPY, I'll be looking for buys above 154.05 because support here, turn resistance here. Plus we have this minor support zone here. We can see price just kept on bouncing off support and resistance here. So right now, even though we can see price going up here, it's too late to get in a buy right now. There's no point getting in a buy. So all we can do is wait because you have to watch out for this zone here. Looking at this to the left, price could reject this zone here. So you got to watch out for this zone, and it's too late to get in a buy. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So I'll be looking for potential buys. And potential sales below. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at for GBP JPY. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so that's that for GBP JPY. That's what I'm looking at. And we'll look at GBP USD. GBP USD, I'll be looking for sales below support here. So I'm looking at for GBP USD. CAD JPY here, we got a resistance here. Plus we have CAD JPY news coming up at 9 a.m. So we'll see what happens. Buyers above resistance here, and we'll have potential sales below support here. Is that for JPY? Your JPY just broke above resistance here. It's very, very interesting. So we have a break. This probably could be a fake out, but we'll see. Looking for more zones here to the left hand side. See what we have. Okay. We also have this minor support zone here on the 30-minute time frame. And if we go down to the 15, we can see it more clearly. So we could also actually take potential buys above if price should just close above this zone here. As you guys are helping out, let me know where you guys are watching me from. Yeah, and for sales, I'd rather take sales below 1915. I'd rather take sales right there at 1915, below 1915. And we could take buys above 1933 as well. So what we can do now is wait. Hey Anna, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Trying to get rid of my sinus, man. If this is your first time on my live stream, welcome, welcome. Good morning, Jason. I hope everyone had a great night. Gotta watch out for this support here. So we could see a rejection, or we could see a bullish continuation. We have very high impact news. We all day today is the OPEC meetings. We just had USD news at 7:15 a.m. my time for non-farm employment change. Then we have Canadian dollar news at 9, and we also have the Fed chair uh, testifying today at 9 as well. So this news, especially the one at 9 a.m., is really going to affect the market. So I'm probably not going to take any trades until after 9 a.m. today. So I probably should have started this stream at around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. my time, but it's okay. We're going to be here. We'll be here. Yeah, yeah, STC indicated. Yeah, all you all you did was just you rode it from the support zone all the way back to the resistance zone. Could have got in right here at 90.48. Good entry because support here to the left. JPY support here to the left became resistance here to the right. So support on resistance on the right. So you have your break, price retested. You have your entry at this next bullish engulfing candle here. Or even if you didn't get in here, you could have also got in after price closed above this, which is a more later entry. But the best entry was down here right above 90.49, and you just rode it here to the next resistance. So now price could also break this resistance here at 91.00 and continue going bullish, or we could see a rejection and price will just reject this resistance. You never know, because we have a very high impact news for the Canadian dollar at 9 a.m. my time. So we're just waiting right now. This is actually the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, STC is a useful indicator. It's good. So you got in at 90.72. 90.72. Oh, you had a very late entry. So you got in somewhere here. You got out where? You got out at 90.98. 90.98. Well, that means you just got out. I mean, you still got your 25 pips. Yeah, you did good. You still got your 25 pips, even though you had a, much later entry. You still got 25 pips. So, still, you still made some money. Oh, you're talking about the lower low here? I mean, the lower high here? This must be what you're talking about here. You must be talking about this lower high over here. That must be what you're talking about. Even though this candle here, 90.67, would have been, not too bad of an entry right here. If I go to the 15, you'll see clearly what I'm talking about. Here on the 15, you'll see that price kind of created a resistance right, uh, right here. So getting in somewhere over here at 90.64, would have been a nice decent entry as well. But at the end of the day, you still made some money. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you can see GPP JPY rejected this support zone here. So that's why I have, buys just looks better above 154.05. Excuse me, guys. Man, uh, you're too scared to pull the trigger sometimes. And then when it comes to all that, somebody else about the trade. Yeah, when you're getting in a trade, you need to be confident. You need to be confident in your trade. And then you don't need to be looking for big moves all the time, because those big moves they don't happen all the time, especially right now with the war between Russia and Ukraine. So, if you're able to get you 10, 20, 30, 50 pips, every day, that's still good, because even 10 pips, depending on your lot size, is actually good. If I get in a trade now and I use one standard lot size, 10 pips, that just made me $100. If I use 10 standard lot size, I just made $1,000. 50 standard lot size, 10 pips just freaking give me 5K. Just like that in one day. So, it is what it is. The main goal is to, as long as you made some money, as long as you didn't lose, that's what matters. Making some money is all that matters. Jason, I prefer well spread. Price is just trying to break this support here. But I'm not looking for buys until 154.05 here. You're welcome, Jason. Man. I hope you guys had a good night, though. I hope you guys had a good night. Engage in the chat, guys. Let's have some fun. Don't make this live stream boring, guys. Welcome to the stream, guys. If this is your first time watching me, do me a favor and smash the like button. If you would like to join our trading community on Discord, the link will be down below in the description. According to the higher time frame here, we should, we should only be looking for. Excuse me, guys. We're still in an uptrend here. This 4 hour candle closes in the next 5 minutes. I'm looking at gold, and this 4 hour candle is about to flip bullish. Yeah, so we could take potential buys above 1934, but I'm not taking any trades until after 9 a.m. after the news, like I said, guys. So no trade for me until after 9 a.m. What's your question, Asha? Just in Jamaica, when did you start trading with how much money you started Damn. Okay. I've been trading for 5+ years now. Uh, how much money did I start with? I started with 1500, which I blew when I started because I was still, learning. Uh, who was my mentor? I didn't have a mentor because I actually learned off of from watching videos on YouTube. I didn't really have, any one-on-one session or someone who mentored me. But when it comes to people that I look up to when I was starting out, and I still actually look up to them, because without their YouTube videos, I won't, be where I am today. And also, God comes first. He actually gave me the knowledge. He was the one who helped me out. Without the knowledge He gave me, I wouldn't be here either. But I was watching YouTube videos, and that was actually how I learned. And I also give kudos to myself because I was practicing everything I was learning. I just kept on practicing. And since which year have I been profitable? 2 years ago. I hope that answered your question. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Jason. I know one day YouTube algorithm will start, pushing my video more. Thank you, Asha. I hope I pronounced your name right. Okay. GBP JPY is about to break above resistance. We have this engulfing candle, but this candle has no wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. So I don't like to see candles like this. Sometimes I do take them if I feel like the setup is actually right, but most of the time I don't. And if price reject, we could actually take a sell also below 153,760. Let's see how many pip range this could be. Once we get like 20 pips, we'll move stops to break even and, take partial profits and let trade, keep running. That's the goal here. This bearish candle also opened without a wick. I'm just waiting until 9 a.m. So after 9 a.m. before I take any positions. J Miles, to answer your questions, I mark up my zones on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, excuse me, 4 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame. All right, I'm glad I pronounced your name right, Asha. Yeah, so the reason why I said we could take potential sales below 153, somewhere around 153.77 is because we have, if you look here, support here, resistance here to the left. If price, chooses to come down, because if you still look here at the higher time frame here, overall we're still in a downtrend. So price could reject, this is the 4 hour. So price could actually reject this support zone here to the left hand side right over here. So if we go back, in this case to the 15, if price reject this resistance over here, we could take sales below here, because if you look here, we have clean candles here to the left hand side up until this area right here. So price could actually get back to this zone here, 152.67, just to continue, the downtrend. But if it breaks above 154.05, then we'll be looking to take, buy position, but not until after 9 a.m. because of the news. High import news today, guys. No, no, no. I'm Nigerian, but I live in the States. I live in United States. I just prefer London session, but lately I've actually been trading New York session more. Let's see what gold is doing. Oh, I needed to look at the USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD been dropping here. If I'm going to trade USD CAD, I'm only going to be looking for sales. Nice trend line here. Rejection of the trend line and price push down. So potential sales below, support on the left, resistance on the right. Price is trying to break this new created support zone on USD CAD. So we can go to the 15 minute. I'm just going to delete this trend line here. Nope. I'm just doing this for people who like to trade USD CAD. If you're watching the stream, or we might take USD CAD, as well. You never know. It all depends on whatever setup I see. These are the pairs that I like to trade here, guys. Especially when I'm scalping because they volatile pairs. You can get to 10, 15, 20 pairs real quick. So price has to come back all the way to this resistance here, which I don't think that's gonna happen to take it by. I'm using StreamYard today for this live stream, and I don't like the music that they have. I don't know. I might go back to OBS, but I kind of like StreamYard. It's just very simple to use, not complicated at all. I don't like stuff that's complicated either. That's why when it comes to my trading style, my trading strategy, I like to keep it simple. I don't like complicated stuff. Mhm. Rejection. I have a rejection of resistance. See if this candle is going to close bearish. Closes in the next 6 minutes. It was JPY. Some people, whoever took an impulse buy entry on EURJPY now. They're just in consolidation, and they might end up losing this trade. So we prefer. So I'm gonna move this up here now. I prefer potential sales below this. EURJPY, I prefer potential sales below 127.29. Because that's where we had the rejection pullback back to the previous support turn resistance. Yep, back to the previous support turn resistance here. Nice rejection. You can see it clearly on the 1 hour time frame. This is what I do. This is why it's so important to always look at the higher time frame, even if you're scalping. Mark up your zones on the 1 hour time frame. You'll be able to see where your major zones are. You can use your lower time frame for your minor zones, because here, if I go to gold here, this zone here on the 1 hour time frame is not the major zones. That's why if you were early to the stream, I didn't mark this zone initially. I left it alone. I just marked my low for support because resistance was here to the right, became support, and then I went to the 30 minutes. I was able to see this zone much more clearly. Even though we had this multiple rejection, it's not a major zone, it's just a minor zone. And when I looked at the 1 hour, I saw we have clean candles here to the left right here. So I was like, okay, we could potentially take buys above 193.75 for price to continue to this resistance zone here. And then if it breaks this resistance zone here, price could potentially get back to this zone here at 1971.58. So, but to tell you guys the truth, to be honest with you, I prefer buys above this higher high here, this resistance zone here. Because here, if we go to the 4 hour, we'll see that all price did here was broke above the previous resistance here, came down, we tested the zone here, then came back down, then we tested the previous resistance down here as well, and then we had this 4 hour candle closed as a pin bar, so it almost flipped bullish as well. So I'm actually only looking for buys. Potential sales is not going to be until price gets to 1915 for me. So I'm only looking for buys on gold. Oh, hmm? No, so when the news happens, if I see a bullish candle breaking above this resistance, I might take a buy simply because price could potentially continue its bullish momentum. But if it's a bearish candle, I'm gonna wait until it closes below this zone here. So zone here to the left. Let's see what the dollar is doing here. So resistance, previous resistance here, and price rejected this resistance over here. Then we have this minor zone here. Overall, the dollar is still bullish. Mm. If this is your first time on my live stream, welcome, welcome. Do me a huge favor by smashing the like button, guys. The more likes I get, the more YouTube is gonna keep recommending my video, this live stream. GBP JPY just closed above the resistance. So I'm gonna wait. Like I told you guys, I'm only waiting until after 9 because of the news. Closed above resistance as well. I mean, on the 1 hour time frame. GBP USD really looks messy though. Look at this zone here too. This was a support zone here. Even though it broke right through it during this sell here. $15 pips. Yeah, I can't ignore this support zone. Support, resistance. Yeah. You can't ignore that zone there. because the price could reject there. Even though we have clean candles here to the right hand side, yeah, we can't reject that zone all the way up here, all the way to the left here. It was good when we had this drop here, closed below the previous support, closed also we have the closure below the previous support as well. And price got back all the way to the support here to the left. We'll see if this candle is going to close bullish or close bearish. And then that's not a zone over there. Do you guys trade GBP USD? Do you guys love trading GBP USD? This 30-minute candle closes in 1 minute. We just closed. I didn't quite close above it yet because we have all these wicks here to the left hand side, these wicks. Welcome to my live stream, guys. If this is your first time here, do me a huge favor and smash that like button for me. The more likes I get, the more YouTube push my videos. I mean, that's what they say. I don't know if that's true or not. I wish I was up and I was able to catch this move, at least this 50 pip move right here. And this happened at 5:30 a.m. my time. Well, I was in bed. When it comes to GBP pairs, GBP JPY is my favorite pair. I love it. So since it looks like we could be in the buy, so I'm gonna delete this. Maybe it's a TB. But I don't want to have a huge stop loss though. Just because, so this lines you guys see here at the top, those are just my potential take profit target if I leave a runner. So TP1, TP2, TP3, if we have a bullish continuation here. So let's say we're getting on a wrong tool. Let's say we got in, why am I grabbing the wrong tool? Oh, there we go. So we got in here, and this is a long week. Now TP1 is gonna be for about 40 pips, but we just gonna target 20. Most stops to break even, and leave a runner. Ultimate target is for about 90, almost 100 pips. Hopefully I get that this morning. That would be nice. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for the likes. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. Even though I only have 9 people watching. That's crazy. See what this looks like on the 15. If we have sales, we'll be, let's see, we're getting somewhere here. We were looking at potentially getting 100 pips as well. Stop loss above this zone here. We'll see. We'll see. Welcome to the stream, guys. If this is your first time, please do me a huge favor. Keep smashing that like button, guys. The more likes I get, the more YouTube algorithm pushes my videos. And if you guys want access to our trading community on Discord, the link will be down below in the description. So far this month, we've had 3 wins, 1 loss, zero break-even trade. So that's what we're looking at for the month of March. Today is just the second day. Okay, looks like this 30-minute candle is gonna flip bullish. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish, above resistance, and if we don't have anything crazy for the news at 9, then we should be looking at a bullish continuation here, and that would just be beautiful. I have to use the restroom, guys. I'll be back. Um, I'm back, guys. So this 30-minute candle closes in the next 6 minutes. We have a high impact news happening in the next 6 minutes as well. This is over here. See? Yeah, that's the zone right there. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Down. Yeah. Okay. We got 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. So we might not be getting in a trade until maybe 9:15. Or it could be a few minutes after 9. We'll see. If this candle closes bullish in the next 2 minutes, even if it closes bearish, the next candle could be bullish as well. We'll see. Mm, okay, 9 a.m. guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. 9 a.m. my time. Let's see what we got. If this is your first time on my live stream, welcome, welcome. As you guys are, hopping on, you can let me know where you guys are watching me from in the charts. Do me a huge favor as well. Keep smashing that like button as well, guys. The more likes I get, the more YouTube pushes my video. See what's going on with gold here. Gold is just ranging. Can JPY broke above resistance? I gotta wait for this to close. nothing really happened with the news, so it had no impact at all. All right. I don't think I'm going to be trading GBP USD today at all. I just I just don't like this setup. There's too much stuff going on over here. Too much stuff. I don't like it. So no GBP USD for me until price break this resistance up here. No trading GBP USD for me. That's me. Everybody has their own. Everybody has their own way of looking at the charts. For me, I'm staying away from GBP USD until it breaks that. Except if price come back here and breaks the support here, then I'll take sales from there. But for buys, no. Except if it breaks this resistance here. But looking at GBP JPY though, at the moment, buys, we're only looking to take buys at the moment. Quick question, guys. Let's engage. Do any of you believe in our currency strength meter? Do you guys use any currency strength meter? If you use any currency strength meter, uh, let me know which the ones you guys use. Type it in the comment section, guys. Let me know. I want to see everybody's response. Okay, this 30-minute candle flipped bearish. Well, I might have to end up staying here till 10. So if price closes below support, what's happening here is the price now rejected the resistance here. And if we go to the 4 hour, that definitely looks right. Based on this trend line, you can see the 4 hour, we can see the rejection candle. So all we're doing now is to waiting for more confirmations for price to close below this support zone. We have this inner trend line, and there's also a trend line here from this high. So we have no touch here, nothing over here. So this trend line is not active. The only active trend line we have is this one that I just drew here in the 4 hour time frame. So if price continue bearish, then you already have our first confirmation here for yourself. And if it breaks above the resistance, hopefully, it will also break above, the trend line as well. So that's when we'll be looking to take buys. So everything looks about right. We just gotta keep waiting here. Let me know. Do you guys understand that the 4 hour time frame explanation I just made? If you don't, I can go over it again before we take a position. If we're able to have, if we can take one, because I'll be getting off this stream at 10. If we don't take any position at 10, I'll still be looking for, positions to take. And then once I find one, I'll send it to the free Discord, since we didn't take any trades on the live stream, if that happens. And obviously, the premium group will also get this signal as well. And I'll look for one more pair or two more to send to them as well. So far, we could see, JPY continuing its downtrend continuation based on the 4 hour time frame. So all we see, all that happened here was just a trend line rejection. Nice. Point A, point B, point C, and the fourth touch, price decided to bounce off the trend line and reject. That's how you do it, guys. You can always keep your analysis simple. I'm hoping for a good entry though. Good entry. Five-minute time frame here. 15. go back to the 30. Four-hour confirmed that GBP JPY. The 4-hour time frame confirmed that they should be dropping, but we're just waiting for more confirmation before we get in. Patience is the name of the game. Patience is the name of the game, yo. Plus, this is an FP week, so you gotta be extra patient. Some people definitely already took a sell here because of the trend line rejection. But I just like to wait for more confirmation before I get in. Because just because we have this trend line rejection here doesn't mean this 4-hour candle can't still flip bullish. Because the 4-hour candle still has like about 3 hours before it closes. So we have a support down here. That's why we're waiting. If it breaks that, then we definitely dropping. welcome to my live stream, guys. If this is your first time here, do me a huge favor. Keep smashing that like button. The more likes you get, the more YouTube algorithm pushes this video. And if this candle closes below this support, right there. 5 more minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. JPY. Fake out. GBP fake out as well. Alright, this candle closes in 4 minutes. As long as it closes below this support, I'm getting in. Even though we have a confirmation on the 4 hour. Oh, it flipped bullish. Oh, okay. Alright, back to buys. Except if price just wanna keep ranging now. Before we have a breakout above resistance or below support. Oh, this is crazy. Welcome to the live stream, guys. This is your first time here. Do me a huge favor and smash that like button. according to the 4 hour, we should be dropping, but we're just waiting for more confirmations. Break below the support. The trend line on the 4 hour time frame gives us a sell confirmation. If we go back to the 4 hour, I'm talking about this trend line here. This trend line give us the sell confirmation, but we need more confirmations. We need price to break, below the support. On the 4 hour, you can't really see the support, but if you go to the lower time frame, even the 1 hour, you see the support here, and price kind of created the resistance right here. We have this support here. Previously, price kind of created a resistance here to the left hand side. So we're just waiting for price to break either this support here or break the resistance above, support term resistance here, before we take any positions. I'll be back, guys. I have to use the restroom again. I must have drank too much water. Back, guys. Well, still a waiting game. Now price is just consolidating. So the same thing, the same thing price did here. That's the same thing it's doing. The same thing it did on the left hand side. That's the same thing it's doing here on the right hand side now. I'll be back, guys. Damn, that was close. All right, guys, I'm gonna be getting off in the next 13 minutes. If nothing happens. So, like I said earlier, earlier, if we are unable to take any trades here on the live stream, I'll still be looking for, setup. I'll be paying close attention to GBP, JPY as well, and I'll make sure I send it to the free group on Discord. Since we didn't take any trades here on the live stream, days that we take trades on the live stream, I do not send trades to the free signal group on Discord. I only send to the premium group because I know most of them cannot attend the live stream. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have not taken any trades today so far. Even USD CAD gave a fake out. Drop all the way down here, but it closed bullish. Your JPY is still dropping here though. Let's see, go to the 4 hour. Yeah, your JPY is absolutely still in a downtrend. A lot of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it's raging here on the 4 hour time frame. That's why I have my potential sales below 127.29 for Euro JPY, which it doesn't. I'm not sure if I'll be taking a trade on Euro JPY today. So GJ looks like the better option for me. But GJ is not helping either. Just ranging here. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I'll be looking out for this trade, and then I'll send it to the group on Discord. Thank you guys for hopping on, and for those of you that joined us for the first time here, thank you guys for hopping on as well. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to. I'll still be on the lookout for GBP JPY. I would also love to trade gold as well, so we'll see what happens. Whatever happens, I'll be sending the one signal to the Discord chat today if I see a good setup. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'll see you guys in the next live stream tomorrow, New York session. Peace. I'm out. God bless you all.